Here at Gtech, I've designed the perfect cleaning duo. Right, Nick? The System Canine. I designed the Aram Canine to clean the floors and the Multi-Canine for everywhere else. 2 lightweight versatile vacuums, 1 high-performance cleaning system. The Aram Canine glides effortlessly across any surface and grooms your carpet to perfection. The Multi-Canine has a range of handy attachments, allowing you to reach up high, down low, and everywhere in between. And when you're done, emptying the bin is clean and simple. Order your System Canine today and save £250 with free next-day delivery. After all, you can't have too much of a good thing.